Hi, I'm here to tell you about a powerful and inspiring workshop called Designing Our Sustainable Lives. We're a non-profit based in Tours, France, with a community of more than 2,000 trained facilitators, mostly based in France, but we're now expanding all over Europe. Our mission is simple but ambitious: unlock climate action for individuals, for organizations and for society. We created this workshop because we believe that understanding climate issues is not enough. We need tools to take action, and that's exactly what this experience offers. So what is this workshop really all about? It's a 3 to 3.5 hour hands-on experience that helps people truly understand the impact of their everyday choices, not just in theory, but in scale. We look at carbon footprints, what they mean, where they come from, and most importantly, what we can actually do about them, both personally and collectively. And here's what makes it unique. It's a low-tech workshop. No screen, no apps, just cards and string. It may sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Each card represents an action, like commuting by car or eating beef, and it's proportional to the amount of carbon it emits, so you can literally see and feel the scale. 1 ton of CO2 equals 10 centimeters. The bigger the card, the bigger the impact. This turns abstract numbers into something real and intuitive. More than simply talking about carbon emissions, we also show the impact of the actions on biodiversity collapse and resource depletion. We adapt the workshop depending on who we're working with, from corporate boards and city councils to school students and field workers. We were even selected to train 25,000 senior civil servants in France and more than 8,000 city employees in Lyon. Here's how it works. We start with the facts, science, policy, and a hopeful message: it's not too late. Then we explore the carbon footprint of a typical lifestyle, visually, with cards. Next, in small groups, participants imagine new scenarios, whether for their personal lives, their company, or their community. Finally, we come back together, share ideas, and close with a powerful moment: great low-carbon lives. We talk about what makes us happy: family, connection, nature, creativity, things that often have very little carbon impact. This workshop reminds people that a more sustainable life is not about sacrifice, it's about meaning and joy. Now you might wonder how this is different from any other workshop. Well, we're low-tech, accessible anywhere, no screens or software needed. We also personalise the experience and adapt it to your organisation or team. And we're grounded in permaculture values, taking care of people, planet and fairness. This isn't just climate awareness, it's a springboard for real change. If you want your team, your organisation or your community to understand, align and take action towards a more sustainable future, let's work together.